snowstorm. With the Apple earbuds this time. Come on, focus camera, please. Come on. You can focus. Come on, you son of a bitch. Oh, you motherfucker. Why you gotta do this? There we go. Oh my god. Look, you can see the snow on the camera. See? You can see the snow. Oh. Big snowstorm coming. Yep. Let's check the vents to see if they're closed properly. Because they should be. Oh, fuck off. Oh my god. That one is not closed properly. This is our dryer vent. Look at all that dust and lint. Holy shit. Wow. That's dust. I mean, not dust. Lint. Oh my god. Wow. Oh shit, there's even freaking... Okay, that's not good. That's not good at all. There's fucking snow in the dryer vent. That is not good. Shit. I'm gonna have to start the dryer now. Fuck. That's not good. That is not good. Shit. That's not good. That is not good at all. That is not good at all. Put it on full blast. Oh, no wonder somebody didn't clean out the fucking lint filter. No wonder the dryer's... Fucking hell. Just gonna start that. Let that run for a bit. That is not good. Not good at all. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Let me grab a different microphone. I need to get a new fucking headset, and I'm going to. Oh, you fucking dickhead. I'm gonna try this one right here. I'm gonna have to stop the recording first. Bye-bye.